Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about indoor plants with 4-color leaves. These living examples of nature's artistry can transform your living space into a colorful indoor garden. The Wandering Jew, or Tradescantia zebrina, has lush green vines, soft leaves with silver stripes, and a deep purple color accentuated by delicate pink highlights. The Triostar stramanthe is a focal point with its elongated foliage that boasts a beautiful combination of 4 colors. The Cordyline bolero has glossy leaves with beautiful yellow, green, bright red, and pink hues. It has long, narrow leaves and a nice branching form. The Neoregelia has beautiful green leaves with yellow outlines and a beautiful pattern of red covering them. The centers are dark burgundy black, creating a contrast. We have the Firestar Croton. This plant is a feast for the eyes, with its stunning star-shaped leaves and a vibrant palette of green, yellow, orange, and fiery red accents. Next, we have the Rex Begonia, whose vivid leaves resemble a stained glass window, featuring green, pink, and silver veins. It's a must-have indoor plant that you simply can't ignore. The Strawberry Shake Polka Dot plant, or Hypoestes phallostachya, is up next. Its light green leaves are adorned in vibrant pink polka dots and outlined in white, giving it a playful and charming appearance. The Rex Grape Ivy, or Cissus discolor, is another eye-catcher. Its leaves have intricate silver speckles, maroon edges, and subtle pink highlights. What's not to like? The Jungle Queen, or Fittonia petoviana, adds a lovely touch to indoor spaces with its dainty foliage showing a mix of green, pink, white, and cream patterns. The Tenanthe setosa flaunts velvety green leaves adorned with silvery green stripes, a prominent dark pink center vein, and subtle burgundy edges, making it a true eye-catcher. If you found this video helpful and exciting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!